Also this week, you will start reading Of Mice and Men by John Steinbeck. You will be doing this for homework. Please notice that every time I write the title on Google Classroom, that it does not allow me to italicize it or underline it, but make sure you do that in your Google Doc. You'll see on the classwork tab, there's a new topic called Of Mice and Men. You'll see the weekly work there for the book. You will read a chapter or two a week, complete the textual evidence assignment, and pass it in by the assigned due date. This I envision as your homework, but of course you can work on this during our scheduled class time whenever you have extra time. Make sure you use MLA formatting when you type your answers. So let's take a look at that. So on the classwork page, our new topic is Of Mice and Men. On your scheduled in-person day, I will provide you with a book and you will sign it out under the correct tab on this document. At the bottom, you will see the different periods. Before you start reading the book, watch this video. It'll give you a little historical context for what's going on in the story. This is the Of Mice and Men bookmark. It's a reading schedule. So you will be reading a chapter or two every week. Then you find the textual evidence to support various literary elements. Most likely these will be a review for you, but in case you're ever wondering what a term means, underneath literary terms, you will find a slideshow, and I put the terms in there in the order of their appearance in the book. There will be a spot for you to turn in your weekly homework under this topic each week. So I already set up the different chapters that are due and with the due dates. So it'll take us 4 weeks to read this book. Let's take a look at the bookmark. So there's a digital copy of the book if you want to get a head start. On the left-hand side, there's the weekly assignment and how many points it's worth. And on the right-hand side, it tells you what you are finding textual evidence for. You need to make sure that you properly introduce and cite your textual evidence. We'll be covering that in Grammar Lesson 2 this week. Please realize that you're going to get 1 point each week that all your pieces of textual evidence are properly introduced and cited. And you will also get 1 point each week for your MLA formatting of your document. Lastly, let me show you where the literary terms are. So right above Of Mice and Men. Nope, I was wrong. I have it down here underneath the digital notebook. Literary terms and elements. This is the slideshow to see examples and definitions of all the literary terms and elements you will need for this book.